Mi bolsa. Crime. Okay, it's our second attempt at going to Montserrate. Yesterday the line was, what, 2 hours long, so we gave up, went somewhere else. Today, no line. Nervosa? Oh, nervosa. Take a thing. Inverno. ¿Qué puede ser? Okay, language training with Amazonas.
Montserrate.
Tree.
Tree.
Three.
Tree. 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 Tree.
Say three.
Tree. Tree.
Next time.
Dígale, dame un beso.
Dame un beso. Dame un beso.
Mira, boca. No, boca, cero labios, dígale. Él entiende.
Dame un beso. ¡Ah! Dios mío.
Can't really see the beauty of them. I mean, you can tell that these are some incredible historic structures. We'll try to get close enough to the clock tower so you can at least see that part. It just happens to be 4 p.m. right now. So the number 4 on that clock that you see up there is actually not a Roman numeral 4. It's a regular number character 4. Well, the ruler of the region at that time, when they saw this mistake, apparently he had the clockmaker killed for that mistake right there, which is a tragic story, but he wanted to show everyone in the region that under his rule, perfection was required. So I had to make Anne, I had to keep her from riding the llama. She wanted to ride the llama in her little dress. I didn't think that was a very good idea. She loco. I think she's getting grungy. Oh, Manaus. Ready to go predator photo? Oh, that's okay, we're just taking photos. You wanna go dance? So it's a beautiful morning here in Bogotá, probably about, I don't know, 65 degrees Fahrenheit. And looks like they've closed off the roads because it's a Sunday. And they've got cyclists and skateboarders, rollerbladers, everything you can imagine on the roads, and there's kids and dogs and cats living together. It's a wonderful thing. Now that's a skater right there, man. To all those idiots that are griping about police being militarized in the US, there's a military on the roads here with long guns on a Sunday morning while people ride their bikes. So get over it.
Ticketing. Jennifer Lopez.
So we are here at the Tequendama Falls. We're standing on the patio of the museum, Museo de Tequendama. And she's going to tell you in Portuguese, for all the people who follow, what we see behind us.
As pessoas vêm aqui no fio da lindo, se jogam, suicidam, se mortam. Depois, que fantasma. As pessoas mortas ali. Que medo.
Okay. So in English, this place became a suicide headquarters for people from Bogotá. Anybody wanting to kill themselves, this was one of the most popular places to come and jump off the falls and kill yourself. So, thereby, this place behind us is known as the Haunted Mansion because the theory is that a lot of their ghosts are lurking in this mansion.
Fantasmas.
Casa de
Lindo lugar, mas dá medo.
Drama. Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, so me get on my face. I got a taste, well the
I took Anne shoe shopping. These are her new chinelas. Sua chinelas. Muito bonito. Casa do Fantasma. Profi. Anne, veja fantasma em casa.
First off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is us made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Getting down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like